Here I'm going to show you how to make easily highlightable tables in Excel. So we want to add Joe for Monday, and there we go. How about Chris? How about Dawn? As easy as that. And we don't see anything that we input here except for the colors. So it's a nice visual interface, very easy to scan over, and then we've got some formulas over here that still work. So we can see how many people are going to be working every single day and how many days per week the people are going to work. Now this is a very versatile setup, and I'm going to show you how to make it right here. Also, it's very easy to take these off. We just go over them and hit delete, and it's done. Now I'm going to clear everything out and show you the few tricks that we have to combine to make this work. What we're going to do here is to combine conditional formatting with cell formatting. So the actual goal is to be able to input a value here so that our formulas here and here can work. Very simple count A formulas, nothing tricky there. But then we don't want to just see a 1. That's not very helpful. In fact, it can be very confusing and not very easy on the eyes. What we want to do is to use conditional formatting to highlight all of that. And remember, conditional formatting is a simple true-false. So we want equals not, and then is blank. Select the upper left cell for what will become your selection. Hit enter. We get a true-false output, false if there's nothing, true if there's a value in the cell. Now we take this, copy it, select everything, conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format, paste that in, click format, go to fill, let's choose green, okay, okay, and now we have the colors. So input a new value, we get a color, delete it, color goes away. So what is the last thing that we want to do? Let's make it so that we can't see these ones because it's still terribly distracting. So select everything, right click, format cells, which is now off the screen, number tab, custom, replace general with 1, 2, 3 semicolons. Hit OK. There you go. Input a value, everything updates, and all we see is color. Go over the color, hit delete. We delete the value that's actually in the cell that we cannot see, and then that removes the conditional formatting. All the formulas update, everything is happy. And if you do select one of these cells, you can see the value in it up here in the formula bar. And that's it. A conditional formatting formula combined with a formatting cells trick, and you've got a nice highlightable visual table in Excel. If you like this tutorial, make sure to check out all of my Excel courses on teachexcel.com. I'll put a link to them below this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get all of my new tutorials. For this tutorial, that's it, and have a great week.